Hello everybody, welcome back to another Egg Play channel. Today I made my own ice cream truck museum. So guys, look at this. So as you can see, there's some Mr. Softee trucks, and there's also some trucks that I first added. So let's get in one truck and test out. It's really hard because I'm filming on the phone. I'm gonna hop out of here. Sorry, my camera. I'm holding the phone and I'm recording on the phone, so it's a bit difficult. So, yeah. Sorry if you guys can't really see that much. Sorry, it's a bit shaky. Okay, let me go into this one. You probably know what this one sounds. Why is there always... Oh, I remember. I keep putting my camera sideways. It's low pitch. Okay, so let's test out. But you know what this vehicle plays? It plays the Mr. Softee local. Okay. I wish I had a stand for my phone. Okay, so now we're gonna get into this one, which is this New York ice cream truck. How am I gonna get in it? We are. Play music. I think this is a faster one. Let me go to the low. Or it's the same. Alright, so let's go on to our next truck. Well, we have two more to check out. I'm so close to my character. So this one is our second one, and then the next one is going to be our last vehicle for this video. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to set you guys down for a second because I literally now have to set you guys down because I'm holding the phone, and this is ridiculous. So, here we are. Mom, can you please go in the room? We'll lower it. Okay, so our next vehicle will be, sorry, my mom is in the kitchen right now. And she's, on her phone, which is really loud. I'll make down. Oh my goodness. This is ridiculous. Why? I wish I had any setup, which I don't have that. Because it costs a lot of money. Okay, so try this. I could drive it. Alright, so that is the last vehicle we're going to be checking out today in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And I just want to ask you a quick question. Do you know how I got rid of all this stuff? Because I clicked on it and you can actually remove it. So if you guys have Roblox Studio, go check it out because I am on Roblox Studio, as you can see right now. So if you have Roblox Studio, go and click on something 2 times, like that Mr. Softy right there, menu right there. Click it 2 times and it will go up orange, and then click it with this mouse. Click it this one, and then click it 2 times. Click it 2. Click it 2 times, and then click that 2 times, and then you go up and press delete, and it will just get rid of it. That's how I got rid of all of that stuff to make it look like that it's actually not the ice cream truck yet, like they're building it. Also, like that one over there. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you do like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and make sure to smash that subscribe button. Make sure it's destroyed so when it's great to see you like and subscribe this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. See you guys next time in a brand new video. Bye.